The age of AI has brought incredible power and unprecedented risk. Artificial intelligence can write reports, sign names, and even generate lifelike images in seconds. It can automate creativity, but it can also automate deception. AI is now being used to forge documents, fabricate evidence, and manipulate reality, faster and more convincingly than any human could. The line between what's real and what's fake is disappearing. The problem isn't the technology, it's how easily it can be misused. Anyone with an internet connection can now use AI tools that were once only accessible to hackers or intelligence agencies. You don't need programming skills. You just need a prompt. Create a bank statement showing $250,000 deposited last month. Make this photo look like it was taken yesterday. Rewrite this signed PDF but keep the formatting identical. In seconds, it's done. Scenario 1, the AI-altered contract. A small business finalizes a major deal worth hundreds of thousands. The buyer later disputes a clause, claiming the version they signed doesn't match the copy on file. When both sides present their original PDFs, they look identical. Same layout, same signature, same metadata. But one version was edited using an AI-powered PDF generator that rewrote the clause while preserving the fonts, signature, and date fields. Even experts can't tell which one is real. The business loses the case, not because it was wrong, but because it couldn't prove when its document was created. Scenario 2, the synthetic evidence file. A fraud investigator receives a set of photos showing property damage in an insurance claim. They appear legitimate, time-stamped, location-tagged, and consistent with the report. But they weren't taken by a camera. They were created by AI image generators trained to reproduce natural lighting and lens distortion. When the insurer pays out the claim, the property owner disappears. The evidence was entirely fabricated. The loss? Over $1.2 million. Scenario 3, the academic deepfake. A researcher's paper is challenged after another group produces identical results. They even have a dataset and timestamps that appear legitimate. But the data was generated by an AI trained on publicly available research. It created synthetic experimental results with realistic distributions. Numbers that look real, but are mathematically meaningless. By the time the fraud is discovered, the researcher's reputation is destroyed and the institution faces questions of oversight. Scenario 4, the AI employee. A global company begins working with what it believes is an experienced contractor. They communicate entirely online. Email, video calls, signed NDAs, payment details. Except the person doesn't exist. The video calls were AI generated. The voice was cloned. The ID was real, but stolen. Over 3 months, the company pays out over $800,000 in invoices to a synthetic identity that vanishes overnight. This isn't science fiction. Cases like this are already being investigated by the FBI, Europol, and the Australian Cybersecurity Center. Scenario 5, the deepfake courtroom evidence. In a civil dispute, one party produces what looks like genuine video evidence, a security clip showing the person entering a building at a specific time. It looks authentic. The lighting, reflections, and motion are flawless. But it was AI generated, built from scratch using open-source facial mapping and motion capture models. When questioned, even forensic analysts struggle to prove it's fake without comparing thousands of frames, pixel by pixel. In court, doubt becomes enough to destroy the case. AI fraud is fast, cheap, and almost undetectable. You no longer need to break into a system to falsify history. You just need to rewrite it. AI tools can edit documents without altering metadata, generate fake photos, videos, or voices, create forged emails and message logs, fabricate financial records, invoices, and receipts, simulate entire conversations with real people's likenesses. The threat isn't limited to one industry, it affects everyone. Lawyers, insurers, researchers, engineers, governments, creators. Every profession that relies on digital records is now at risk. The core problem. Traditional timestamps, signatures, and file metadata were never designed to survive AI manipulation. They can be deleted, rewritten, or backdated with one command, which means in the age of AI, the only way to prove authenticity is to prove time. The solution, TimeBinder. TimeBinder provides tamper-proof, blockchain-verified evidence that your file, whatever it is, existed at a specific moment in time. When you timestamp a file with TimeBinder, a cryptographic fingerprint of that file is generated locally on your computer. It's then anchored to the world's strongest blockchain, creating an immutable record that can't be forged, deleted, or modified. Your files remain private. Your proof remains public, forever. Even if an AI recreates your document pixel for pixel, it can't replicate the blockchain timestamp that ties your version to a fixed point in time. That's how you win, not by trusting technology, but by anchoring truth to something even AI can't rewrite, mathematics. AI can fake anything, except time. As artificial intelligence reshapes how we work, it also reshapes how we cheat. The only protection left is verifiable, immutable proof that your files are genuine and that they existed first. Protect your evidence. Protect your reputation. Protect the truth. Visit timebinder.io. Proof that outlasts deception permanently.